What's up guys, Romsicle here, back with another video. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the mounted counterbalance LCD desk mount for your TV or for your PC monitors. For my scenario, it's going to be for the PC monitors. So let's not waste any time, let's get right into the box. So on the box we have the specs of this dual monitor stand. It's made of economy steel, fits 13 to 27 inch monitors, tilt feature as well as 360 rotation, VESA compliant size 75 and 100, 428 arm length, 10 to 88 clamp thickness, can be mounted via a hole in the desk or a clamp, and how much it may weigh in total including the monitors. Inside the box we have four main parts: the arm, the pole, the clamp, and the accessories box. And don't worry, they were packaged safely, and since they're fully metal, it's hard to damage them anyways. First off, inside the box we have four packages containing the screws, hex tools, alternative grommet base, and the pole clamp along with some other accessories. The left base is for those who already have a hole in their desk and can put the base through it rather than use a clamp. To use it, unscrew the middle section off and replace the big piece and small piece with the other two components. Here we have the main base screw to connect the clamp and the pole together. On the bottom we have the rubber cushions with 3M adhesives on the back for your base, so there's some vibration reduction. We also have the cable management clip that also has slots to put your hex keys in, which is a great design. Make sure you slide the clip on the pole before putting the main arm on. Lastly, we have the two different hex keys, 16 screws and 8 washers. There are two sizes for the screws, so make sure you use the right one that fits your monitor. The clamp is surprisingly big, almost as big as my hand, and that's to keep the stand in place since it's so heavy. We have a 3-point screw handle for easy twisting and a rod on the top that sticks to a hole in the pole so it doesn't move in place. Next we have the solid metal pole with a removable cap on top for aesthetic purposes, and on the bottom we have one big hole for a thick screw to connect the base and the pole together, along with two smaller holes for the rod on the base to fit. And here we have the main part of the stand, the arm, with the monitor mounts. As you can see, there are arrows on the mounts indicating that the arrow side is for the top two screws for your monitor. And the circle joint in the middle allows the monitors to rotate 360 degrees. On the top of the arms we have the hex joints, while on the bottom it has flat surfaces. The hex key is all you need to adjust the arms, which is pretty great. We also have the clamp to hold up the arm. The plastic clamp stays there and has jagged gaps so the compression fit is much more secure. Next is how you put it on. First you put the washers on the screw and screw in the top two screws, but not all the way in, so you can slide the mount into place. Then you can screw the rest down in the star pattern for the same pressure on each side. After screwing them all in, you can lift the monitor via arm safely. The next step is to put your rubber anti-vibration pads on the bottom of the base, where it touches the table. The instructions show a star pattern since it distributes the weight equally. And this is what it should look like when you're done, and you won't have to worry about the base moving after mounting because those pads will help it stay in place. Before you clamp the base down, make sure you screw the pole onto the base first and secure it with the hex tool. After it's snug, you can finally mount it to the desk, and remember to clamp on the cable management ring before putting the arms on. Lastly, putting on the arms is the most simple. You gotta make sure the clamp is loose enough to get it on the pole and then tighten at the desired height. And you're done. Overall it looks great and it feels great. For only $40 you get an entirely metal frame for your monitor. Now you might be thinking, why get a monitor stand in the first place when your monitor already comes with it? Here's the main thing: to save space. As you might already know, stock monitors take up quite a bit of space, but with a monitor stand like this, you save a lot of space, especially for underneath the monitor where you used to be unable to put things there. The bottom line is this: a monitor stand promotes space and productivity, especially if you have a multiple monitor setup. Thanks for watching this quick review guys. If you're interested in the stand, links are in the description down below. I got some keyboard reviews coming up real soon, so subscribe for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.